Hi guys, I'm going to show you what we are going to do in next few lessons. I'm going to show you some ideas how to add clasp on your bracelet made in peyote stitch, in flat peyote stitch. You will have, I will show you how to attach this kind of clasp, but is very similar to this one. You just have to bead one piece. First you do some decreasing if necessary, then you make a piece in peyote stitch. Sorry to tell you, but it has to be odd count peyote stitch if you want to have it in the middle of the bracelet, or yeah. This one is more expensive than this one, of course, so you will have option, but the principle is the same. So you are going through and you will zip it up on the back. That is those two. Here the option, I'm going to teach you how to make a little window in your bracelet, and then how you can also I already show you how to make a tube, and how to make a tube and connect it to the bracelet, and then have this kind of toggle clasp that we have. And we are going to have this sliding clasp. I will show you how to add your bracelets into this sliding clasp. It's a very simple system and it's going very easy. So that is what we are going to do in the next few lessons, and see you then. Happy beading!